Make a great choice today with the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, bed liner, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, keyless entry, satellite radio, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer.
Kissee Ford is a family-owned business that is currently enjoying its 60th year as a Ford dealer in Claremore. I don't know if you've seen from our online reviews, our goal at Kissee Ford is to cultivate repeat customers. I believe this is one reason we have enjoyed 60 years in business. We do this by giving each customer the dignity, courtesy, and honesty that they deserve, not only during the sales process, but throughout their entire ownership experience. At Kissee Ford, you will always receive the fairest and best price possible. For all of our customers, I want to say thank you. To those who have never tried us, I invite you to come see Kissee and experience our sales and ownership process. I think you will enjoy the difference.